Little Mermaid, go! Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Ay, greet grandma na, bebe.
Huh? One more. 1, 2, 3. Oh, so grandma how to do. Come on. Grandma, please. Oh, yeah, go. That's how you swim? Okay, come here, grandma. Swim with me. Swim with me, grandma. You're a big girl. Yeah. Say, Ma, Grandma, thanks for the book. Thank you for the book. And the pens. And the doll. And the jacket, the pink jacket. I love baby Francine. She's my favorite cousin. I kiss her on the forehead. I sing to her twinkle twinkle. I rock-a-bye baby her when she sleeps. Yeah. I gave you flower yesterday. Diba you gave grandma flowers but you were upset with the...
Yummy.
Huh? What's yummy? The water? Eee. That's not yummy. Don't drink the water. Don't drink it. It's not yummy. Where's the fish? Thank you for the mermaid puzzle. The jigsaw puzzle. You like the jigsaw. And the rabbit.